नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग? ऑल आर हैप्पी, सेफ इन हाउस, गुड, स्टडी वेल. Today just we will do a revision for Barah Khadi. Long back we didn't read na, so maybe you forgot everything. So we will read one round Barah Khadi. What is this Barah Khadi? You know vowels, you know consonants. Consonants means your letters, alphabets like ka to gya, ka kha ga gha. Vowels in Hindi what we will say? Swar. What is that? Swar. Vowels. So this both are letters. A, I, I, U, U. This is swar, vowel, and consonants, alphabet. Ka kha ga gha, ka to gya. Okay. So this is the letters. How we will make the word? With letters, how we will express our feelings, how we will communicate to each other. Then what we will do? We will take some letters and our vowels, swar. They are letters also and they are having the symbols also. With letter, when we will join these symbols, with that only we can make a word to communicate, to read. Okay. So Barah Khadi means symbols of vowels. Symbols of vowels. Like a, I, I, letter also is there and they are having the symbols also. Already I have taught you, but one more round we will read. Barah Khadi, because there are 12 symbols in Hindi. With that help only we will make a word. So your first symbol is A. What is that? A. You can read A letter here, okay? And down, what is that? Symbol A. Everywhere A letter you can't put. So instead of putting A letter, that symbol you have to put. So in front of any letter, if you see only one line, means that is A ki matra. Okay? That is A ki matra. Matra means symbol. Here you can see Ka. What is this? Ka letter. And Ka, one line is there. Means that is A ki matra. Ka letter, A ki matra will be Ka. Because A ki matra is there. So that letter pronunciation will be same. Ka. If Kha letter, you are putting A ki matra. In front of Kha letter, only one line is there. Means that is A ki matra. Okay? And that letter pronunciation will be Kha. Next, Ga letter. On Ga letter, if you see one line, means that is A ki matra. And that letter pronunciation will be Ga. So now I hope you understand. Ka, Kha, Ga. This is your A ki matra. A letter and one line, that is a symbol of A. In front of any letter, if you see one line is there, means that is understood A ki matra. And that letter pronunciation will be Ka, Kha, Ga. Okay. Next we will go for E. E say Imli. First E. And how will be the symbol? One line with one cap. And first E, choti E means small e. First E in Hindi we will say choti e. That symbol, that matra we will put before the letter. Okay? Before the letter we will put E ki matra. E ki matra, how you will understand? One line with one cap. One line with one cap, that is E ki matra. So before any letter, if you see a symbol, one line with one cap, means that is a E ki matra, first E. Like here you can see Ka, and before Ka letter, one line one symbol is there, means that is E ki matra. So that letter pronunciation will be ki. Ka pe E ki matra ki. Same kha. Kha and kha pe E ki matra khi. Ga. Ga pe E ki matra gi. So now you got to know E ki matra. Any letter before, if one line, one cap is there, means that letter, that is E ki matra, E symbol, and that letter pronunciation will be ki, khi, gi. Okay. Next we will go for second E. E. First E little fast we have to say. Second E little long we have to say. E. That is also same. One line, one cap. But you know, second E, badi E ki matra will come after the letter. Choti E ki matra will come before the letter. Badi E ki matra will come after the letter. And that letter pronunciation will be ki, khi. You can see here, ka letter is there, and in that badi E ki matra is there. That is after the letter. And see here, first E, choti E ki matra is before the letter ki, and this is ki. Kha kha pe badi E ki matra khi. Ga ga pe badi E ki matra gi. So what letter symbol you are going to put? That letter pronunciation will be same. If A symbol you are putting, letter will be ka, kha, ga. If E symbol you are putting, ki, khi, gi. E symbol you are putting, ki, khi, gi. Pronunciation will be like that. Next we will go for U ki matra. U ki matra I taught you, always it will be in leg. U ki matra we are putting on letter leg. Small round and that will go top. So first U symbol will be, matra will be one small round that will go top. See, U letter also going top only, and their symbol also going top only. So any letter if you are going to put U ki matra, that letter pronunciation will be ku. See here, ka ka pe U ki matra ku. Kha kha pe U ki matra khu. Ga ga pe U ki matra gu. Next we will go to bada U ki matra. See, you can see here, first U, that round is going top. Second U, round is coming down. Because in U one symbol is there, can you see? In center it is coming down, na? Same thing. And always U ki matra will be in leg, down the letter. See here, ka pe U ki matra ku. Kha kha pe U ki matra khu. Ga ga pe U ki matra gu. So now you understand the difference. This is first chota ku and second bada U. This one is chota U ka symbol and this is bada U. When that round is going up, chota U. Round is coming down, bada U. Chota U, same like E and E. Chota U, you will say ku, khu, gu. Bada U, ku, khu, gu. We have to pronounce like that. Next we will go for Ri ki matra. Ri se rishi. This matra also, this symbol also will come down of the letter. See here, that is like a letter C. In English, letter C symbol is like that. So any letter, if down you see something like a C letter, means that is Ri ki matra. And as I told, what symbol you will put, what matra you will put, that letter pronunciation will also will be same. So ka ka pe ri ki matra kri. Kha kha pe ri ki matra khri. Ga ga pe ri ki matra gri. Gha gha pe ri ki matra ghri. So re symbol, re matra identify is very easy. Any letter down, if you see something like a English C letter, means that is re ki matra. and that letter pronunciation will be kri, gri, sri. Okay. Next we will go to A ki matra. A ki matra, this is like a flag. Always it will come on top of the letter. A ki matra, it will come next to the letter. E ki matra, first E will come, one line, one cap before the letter. Second E, one line, one cap after the letter. U ki matra, it will be in leg. If that round is going top, up means chota U. Round is coming down, bada U. Ri ki matra, like a C letter. In any letter down, if you see something like a C letter, means that is Ri ki matra. Now we will go to A ki matra. A ki matra, it will be like a flag and always it will be on top of the letter. Okay, and that letter pronunciation will be K, Ge, Ghe. Okay, so see here, A letter is there and A symbol is just like a flag. Here you can see K letter and K ka pe A ki matra K. Kh, A ki matra Khe. G, A की मात्रा गे. घ, A की मात्रा घे. So this is your A की मात्रा. Now we will go to I की मात्रा. That is very simple. A and I. A की मात्रा, any letter, one flag will be there. I की मात्रा, two flag is there. Okay. A की मात्रा, one flag. I की मात्रा, two flag. If A की मात्रा is there, K, Khe, Ge. I की मात्रा, Kai, Khai, Gai. Pronunciation will be like that. So if you see on any letter top, only one flag, A की मात्रा. Two flag, I की मात्रा. Pronunciation will be K, Kai. Khe, Khai. A की मात्रा, K. I की मात्रा, Kai. ख पे ए की मात्रा खे. ग पे ए की मात्रा, I की मात्रा गे. So pronunciation will be like that. Next we will go to O की मात्रा. O and O की मात्रा. See, in O or O, already symbol is there. Both first you can see O is there. Next on O letter, one line, one flag. O की मात्रा. One line with two flag. O की मात्रा. Okay. A and I, only one flag was there. A की मात्रा, only one flag. I की मात्रा, two flag. Same thing. O and O. O की मात्रा, one line with one flag. O की मात्रा, one line with two flag. Like if K letter, O की मात्रा you are putting, K पे O की मात्रा को. ख पे O की मात्रा खो. ग पे O की मात्रा go. Because here one line, one flag is there. O and one line, one flag, you can say O. Next, O की मात्रा, one line, two flag. So letter pronunciation will be O. क पे O की मात्रा को. ख पे one line, two flag खो. ग one line, two flag go. घ one line, two flag घो. So you got to know O and O की मात्रा. One line, one flag O की मात्रा. One line, two flag O की मात्रा. If K letter O की मात्रा you are putting, it will be को. K letter O की मात्रा you are putting, it will be को. Next we will go for Ang की मात्रा. That is very easy. Ang की मात्रा, any letter if you see only one dot means that is Ang की मात्रा. K letter Ang की मात्रा कंग. ख पे Ang की मात्रा खंग. ग पे अंक की मात्रा गंग. So अंक की मात्रा only one dot. If any letter top you see, only one dot is there. That is अंक की मात्रा. That letter pronunciation will be खंग गंग. Next we will go to ah की मात्रा. Ah की मात्रा will be two dot next to the letter. Okay, any letter is there, next to the letter two dot will be there, top to down, means that is ah की मात्रा. And that letter pronunciation will be kah, khah, gah. Like see here, ka पे ah की मात्रा, next to ka two dot is there, means that is ah की मात्रा. Kah, kha two dot is there, khah. Ga two dot is there, gah. So this was our 12 khadi. We have done one revision. You also do the revision and see. Next, after 12 khadi, little basic Hindi we will read. Okay. Today we will read about the seasons. How many seasons are there? There are 4 seasons in India. That seasons in English name you know. Today we will know in Hindi how to say seasons name. First picture what you can see? What is this picture? People are taking bath. It's looking so sunny day, means it is a summer season. It is a summer season. Summer season in Hindi what we will say? Garmi. Garmi ritu. Ritu means season. Ritu means season. So Garmi ritu means summer season. Next what will come? After summer season what's come? Rainy season will come. Okay? You can see in picture one boy, he is playing with boat in water. And 2 people taking umbrella and going. Okay? Means this is a rainy season. Rainy season in Hindi what we will say? Varsha Ritu. What we will say? Varsha Ritu. Baris, Varsha. Okay? And Ritu means season. Next, after rainy season what will come? Winter season. After rainy season what will come? Winter season. Winter season in Hindi what we will say? Sheet Ritu. What we will say? Sheet Ritu. Sheet Ritu means winter season. People are putting sweater. Some children are playing with snow. And 2 people are sitting and just enjoying the fire because it's too cold. Sheet Ritu. Winter season. Next, spring season will come. Spring season in Hindi we will say Basant Ritu. Basant Ritu means spring season. So today we have learned about the seasons, how to say in Hindi. First one, Garmi Ritu, summer season. Varsha Ritu. Varsha Ritu, rainy season. Sheet Ritu, winter season. Basant Ritu, spring season. Okay children, so today we will read this much only, because if I'll teach you too much you will forget everything. So today what we have read? 12 khadi we have done the revision, and seasons how to say in Hindi. Okay children, and your assignment you have to write the 12 khadi. Ka letter, kha letter, ga and gha letter. Okay, and write neat and clean, and before writing see the video then start to write. Thank you.